أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. From Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. To all my brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the Tajweedul Haruf. We will learn from where the different alphabets originates and with which characteristics they originate. We will learn the knowledge of Makharijul Haruf. We will start with first three Makharij which are originating from our throat, known as Haruf-e Halakiyah, Haruf-e Izhar, or Haruf-e Halaki. So let us start to gain the knowledge of different Makharij and Tajweedul Haruf. And these 29 alphabets, actually we think that one alphabet is only a single alphabet. When we combine 2 or 3 alphabets, it makes the words. But if we start deeply to Arabic alphabets, we will find that these alphabets are made up from some 2, 3, 4 alphabets. It is also known as the bank. Bank means the side of something. If we see the alphabet Lam, Lam is made up of Lam, Alif and Mim. And what we are pronouncing, the first word Lam, we used to pronounce it as Lam, the first letter. One thing is also very important, because some words, some alphabets which are Alif, Waw and Ja, these are Haruf-e Madda. Please see in the slide, it is written as Haruf-e Madda. These are Alif, Waw and Ja. When we do the portions of one letter, which is combination of still some letters, like I have told you, Lam, it consists of Lam, Alif and Mim. So central alphabet is Alif, which is Haruf-e Madda. Whenever we do the portions of our alphabet and we find the Haruf-e Madda between them, we will pronounce them as with a lengthening voice, like Lam. So we have learned that whenever there is Arabic alphabet and we make portion of it, and we saw that there is in the middle part of this alphabet there is Haruf-e Madda, which is a vowel, Arabic vowel, Alif, Waw or Ja. We will pronounce it by lengthening it. This is a special characteristic of this word. Now we will see the different alphabets pronounced from different makhraj. Makhraj number 1 is pronounced from the deepest portion of our throat, which is also called Aksai Halk, and these are two alphabets which are pronounced from the deepest portion of our throat as Makhraj 1. These alphabets are Hamza, Ha. We have to put our hand at the lower portion of this throat, and we have to feel the vibration here. And while we will pronounce these alphabets, we will feel pressure on our chest. If we are not feeling pressure on our chest or vibration in our lowest portion of our throat, which is near our chest, we should know that we are not pronouncing from actual place of articulation point. Again, please pronounce Hamza, Ha. You have to practice it. And the second makhraj is the alphabets pronounced from the middle portion of our throat. These are two alphabets. One is Ha, which is Jim, Ha, Ha. If we make its portions, the Ha is consist of only two letters, Ha and Alif. Nothing is in between them. So we are not going to lengthen it. We will pronounce it as Ha. And the second word is Ain, which is having three portions, three alphabets. It is consist of three alphabets. Ain, Ya, Noon. So Ya Madda is at the center of this Ain. We will pronounce it as Ain. And the second alphabet is Ha. As sometimes we are tired and some voices from our throat pronounced Ha. So it is weak voice, Ha, pronounced from the middle portion of our throat, and the third makhraj is pronounced from the upper portion, which is near our mouth, and two alphabets are pronounced from here. One is Ghain, and the second alphabet is Kha. Kha. So the specific sound, listen and pronounce like it, Kha. And we are feeling vibration here while we are pronouncing these words, these alphabets, these haruf. Ghain, Kha. One of my friend, Ghazala Batul, requested me that for better understanding, I should use these alphabets between some verses so that easily someone can understand the pronunciation, the difference of pronunciation while recitation of Quran Pak. First of all, we will see the first part of third kalma, and here we can easily see in this slide that in this portion it is used Ha, Ha and Hamza. Wherever Hamza is placed above the Alif with Zabar, Zer or Pesh, it will pronounced as Hamza, and sound will be like a cutting sound. With Zabar, it will be A. With Zer, E. With Pesh, U. It is like a cutting sound. So, in this verse, we will learn the pronunciation of and the difference while pronouncing these three alphabets, we will see Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wala ilaha illallahu wallahu akbar. I just making slight pause so that you can understand where I was pronouncing ha, he, ha, he, ha, I, who. Please listen again. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wala ilaha illallahu wallahu akbar. And in second verse, which is from Surah Tawbah, 40 verse, La tahzaninna Allaha ma'an. So, three alphabets are used which we are practicing. One is ha, second is ha, and third is a, ain. Suratul Nas, 4th ayat, we will see the use of ha here. Min sharril waswasil khannas. Suratul Nasr, here we will see the use of ha and ghain. Fasabbih bihamdi rabbika wastaghfir ghain wastaghfir. These 6 alphabets which are pronounced from 3 articulation points of our throat are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha are also called Harufe Halaki, Harufe Halakiyya or Harufe Izhar. This is our 2 days lesson. If you have some understanding regarding the pronunciation of these 6 words, it's not easy that in one go we can become a master. You have to practice it at least 50 to 100 times. You should pronounce these words and try to recite different surahs of Quran Pak and try to pronounce these alphabets like pronouncing from their original articulation point. And please, if you like it, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it with your family and friends so that most of the people can be benefited from this lesson. Thank you very much. Please give me permission till next lesson. Khuda Hafiz.